我想要新的實木地板。
I want new hardwood floors. I want new hardwood floors. I want new hardwood floors.
我的地板需要修理。
My floor needs fixing. My floor needs fixing. My floor needs fixing.
我們要鋪新地毯。
We're getting new carpet. We're getting new carpet. We're getting new carpet.
我需要更換瓷磚。
I need to replace the tiles. I need to replace the tiles. I need to replace the tiles.
如何清潔強化地板？
How do I clean laminate floors? How do I clean laminate floors? How do I clean laminate floors?
你能修复乙烯基地板嗎？
Can you fix the vinyl flooring? Can you fix the vinyl flooring? Can you fix the vinyl flooring?
乙烯基地板起泡了。
The vinyl is bubbling. The vinyl is bubbling. The vinyl is bubbling.
木地板很旧了。
The wooden floor is old. The wooden floor is old. The wooden floor is old.
我們要加一塊地毯。
We're adding a rug. We're adding a rug. We're adding a rug.
陶瓷瓷磚的價格是多少？
What's the cost of ceramic tiles? What's the cost of ceramic tiles? What's the cost of ceramic tiles?
地毯有污渍。
The carpet is stained. The carpet is stained. The carpet is stained.
瓷磚破損了。
The tiles are chipped. The tiles are chipped. The tiles are chipped.
混凝土地板開裂了。
The concrete floor is cracked. The concrete floor is cracked. The concrete floor is cracked.
我可以密封车庫地板嗎？
Can I seal the garage floor? Can I seal the garage floor? Can I seal the garage floor?
我的木地板有噪音。
My wooden floor is noisy. My wooden floor is noisy. My wooden floor is noisy.
我們要安裝地暖。
We're putting in underfloor heating. We're putting in underfloor heating. We're putting in underfloor heating.
我需要重新翻新實木地板。
I need to refinish the hardwood. I need to refinish the hardwood. I need to refinish the hardwood.
地毯墊已磨損。
The carpet padding is worn. The carpet padding is worn. The carpet padding is worn.
淋浴灰缝很脏。
The shower grout is dirty. The shower grout is dirty. The shower grout is dirty.
瓷磚鬆動了。
The tiles are loose. The tiles are loose. The tiles are loose.
我們要新的軟木地板。
We want new cork flooring. We want new cork flooring. We want new cork flooring.
如何去除舊膠水？
How to remove old glue. How to remove old glue. How to remove old glue.
層壓地板橋區。
The laminate is warping. The laminate is warping. The laminate is warping.
我們要塗混凝土染色劑。
We're staining the patio. We're staining the patio. We're staining the patio.
地毯起層了。
The carpet is peeling. The carpet is peeling. The carpet is peeling.
我正在清洁实木地板。
I'm cleaning the hardwood. I'm cleaning the hardwood. I'm cleaning the hardwood.
我们要更换油毡。
We're replacing the linoleum. We're replacing the linoleum. We're replacing the linoleum.
你能给大理石打磨吗？
Can you polish the marble? Can you polish the marble? Can you polish the marble?
我的木甲板受潮了。
My wooden deck is wet. My wooden deck is wet. My wooden deck is wet.
廚房的瓷磚開裂了。
The kitchen tiles are cracked. The kitchen tiles are cracked. The kitchen tiles are cracked.
地下室地板不平整。
The basement floor is uneven. The basement floor is uneven. The basement floor is uneven.
我想加一层保護塗料。
I want to add a protective coating. I want to add a protective coating. I want to add a protective coating.
我們要安裝新的地板。
We're installing new flooring. We're installing new flooring. We're installing new flooring.
木地板有划痕。
The wooden floor has scratches. The wooden floor has scratches. The wooden floor has scratches.
瓷磚掉了。
The tiles are coming off. The tiles are coming off. The tiles are coming off.
我們正在添加地毯來保暖。
We're adding rugs for warmth. We're adding rugs for warmth. We're adding rugs for warmth.
你能維修石頭地板嗎？
Can you repair the stone floor? Can you repair the stone floor? Can you repair the stone floor?